So now that we have our balls generating, they're bouncing off each other, we do finally have to start really taking care of double bounce issues. Become more and more common, especially if balls spawn on each other. So what we need to do is we need to check and make sure that balls only resolve one collision per round. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a new variable called did self.did bounce x is equal to false. That's capital F false in Python. Control D to duplicate the line. Again, it's only in Genie. And then bounce Y. And every time we move, we're going to reset those variables. But when we collide, just copy that one line. In this case, we had a Y collision. And we want this to be true. And this is Y again. And this one is X again. And this will be both of them. Now we have to actually check before we resolve the collision. So if we've hit more than once, we're going to not trigger that again. So before we do this, we're going to say if not self.did bounce Y. And so I don't have to do two tests. I'm going to tab this here, and I'm going to move this chunk of code up to here. Let's try that again. Fine. I will cut and paste. I don't know why drag's not working. Control X. Phi. Tab. Tab. And then we're going to say the same thing, but for the Y direction. Except it's going to be the X direction. And then same here, when we do a collision, we're going to say if not said bounce X, we'll do X movement. And we're going to reset the X to bounce X true. If not self.did bounce Y, do these two. Now, if we run the code again, we should see collisions only happen once. So it's going to take a little bit to test it. Oh, we have an error with did bounce W. I made error line on line 48. It's very easy to do. Let's try that again. Let's run it again. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls. And these two are still stuck in each other because they're probably never getting away. So we can make this more sophisticated, but let's just see if anything ever gets caught together. Because spawning on top of each other is still a problem. But the actual collisions, we're not getting stuck in each other after the fact. Only if they spawn inside each other. So the better collision handling is solving some, but we're still having issues with things being stuck. There's a couple ways we could solve this. I think we'll take and make a special case in the spawner that's going to check to see if it's colliding, and if it is, it's going to try again. This will slow down our code if this goes so many times, but let's try it out. That'll be in our next video.